Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of June and how it will move in the next 2 weeks of June. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trying to form a doji candle, as you can see, for this particular month. Okay, if this level sustained, because you can see the high of that particular doji candle is $1982 and a low of around $1930. This is the month high and low we have seen for this particular 2 weeks. Okay, and now still 2 weeks are remaining for this particular month. So probability can be high that if this level is sustained, and chances are very high, because as I have already told you that this is the pattern forming. Okay, and now this is the particular pattern. So if it sustain and keeps sustaining a level of 1956, we can see it can go further upside, as I have already told you in my weekly video. You can go and check. Okay, and previously from 2011 we have seen a U pattern is forming, and these similar pattern are being formed 3 times as of now. Okay, and a bigger pattern was, this is the bigger pattern from 2012 to 2020, and after that this is a 2 years pattern, this is the 8-month pattern, and the same patterns created here. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 weeks of June, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high it can go towards a level of around $1975. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, chances are very high that it can go towards a level of around $1984. Okay, that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and a probability is that it can touch a level of around $1995. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this particular level which is trading at, a probability of going towards 1975 is there, and if that level crosses upside, and then we can see a level of 1984, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular level and can go further upside, and a probability of touching 1991 crossing to a level of 1995 will be there. If the price sustain above that particular level, then yes, a probability that it can go towards a level of around $1999. Okay, so once the price sustain above that particular level, yes, a probability of going further upside will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $2013, $2013, and from there probability of going towards above a level of 2013 to a level of 2017, and then higher towards a level of around 2047. Okay, keep it in mind, if the price sustain above $2000, then probability of going further upside is there, because there is a pattern forming, and a probability of going further higher is on a higher side. But if the price didn't sustain, because you can see that it has already made a previous month, it has closed in a red candle. Okay, so suppose if it form a swing, that is already we have seen, and if this level didn't sustain, then the next support, which is very close to it, coming at a level of 1956. Okay, so if this support didn't sustain, then a probability that it can move further down towards a level of $1949. Okay, and if that level also move further low, then yes, we can see it can go further down, and a probability of going towards a level of 1935. Now again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level of $1956, then chances are very high it can cross that particular level and can go towards 1949. If that level also move further down, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1935. Once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching 1914 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $1903. Okay, 1914 once crossed down, then we can see a level of $1903, and if that level move further low, then a probability is that we can see it can go further down towards a level of around 1886. Keep it that in mind, that once started falling below 1900, then probability of going further down is there. Okay, so chances are very high that once started falling below a level of around $1928, then chances are very high it can touch a level of 1917 to a level of 1914. If that level move further low, then yes, a probability it can cross a level of 1900, and chances of going below a level of 1907 to a level of around 19 $18-$19, and then further of the price didn't sustain that level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And understand, as soon as it breaks this particular zone, chance of going further low will be there. Okay, because it has been in this zone for 2-3 months, so chances are high if this level goes further down, then a probability that it can cross further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.